Day 10, the final. I just built a real-time chat app with AI in 90 minutes. The hardest app of this entire challenge. 10 apps in 10 days, complete. Here's how I did it. So to start this project, I have a note for the real-time chat app and some features. I just copy this note and paste it in Copilot to create the Amazon Q prompt for me. Once I have the prompts, I can see that I have all the features and add some extra features. So let's just copy this to Amazon Q. And it will start generating the project, and it will take some time. So let's just wait for it to finish. Once it's done generating, we can see that it has created everything, and the getting started is the most important part. So let's just npm install and then set up the database. For setting up the database, I had to go through some things and it took me some time, and after that I have set up the database, and now it was time for the schema to run in the database. So at first it got some time to run and it gave me an error. So I just pasted that error in Amazon Q and it told me how to fix it. And once I was able to fix this error, I ran again and it was success. And now everything was set up and I can now npm run dev. After that, I had some errors at first, so I just fixed those errors. And here we go, we have the real-time chat app. And this chat app, at first I tried to sign up with my email, and it told me that user already exists, and this is because the same database as URL Shortener app, I used it for this. I tried to log in with the same credentials, but it didn't work, so I just changed my email, and it told me that I have sent an email for the confirmation, but the confirmation was off. So it was set it up by the Amazon queue. So I just went out and sign in. You can see the sign in successful, but it doesn't redirect us. So let's just fix both problems. At first I told it to fix the email verification, so we don't need it. Once it did, and we have signed in, but we can see that the chats are not loading. So let's just set up another account. Sign in successful. When we click on sign in, we can't redirect. So let's just fix this. And here we go, we have the same issue here, the chat are not loading. And when we click on the person that we have and create chat, we couldn't create the chat. It says that failed to create chat. So this is because there are some policies in the schema that it's not allowing this. And I fixed those policies in the database. And finally, I could create a chat. So the chat is created. So first thing I did was sending a message. When I send a message, it doesn't appear for me or the other person. So let's just fix this issue. You can see that when I send a message, it doesn't appear anywhere. So I just refresh the page on another person's account and it appeared there. So it wasn't adding in real time. After a refresh, we can see our message. So I just gave a prompt for it to fix. and it gave me some schema to run in database. So once I run that, you can see that it only refreshed the page for me once I send the message and not the other person. So when I send a message from the other person, it loads the message from me also, and this is not looking good. So let's just fix that by another prompt, that when I send the message, it reload the messages for me and the other person also. So let's just give a prompt for it. And it actually took me some time to finish this with so many prompts. So after all the struggle that we have went through during this 10 apps in 10 days, I finally managed to finish this challenge, and you can see that the real-time chat app is also working fine. And this challenge was really informative for me, and I have learned a lot from it. So let's keep building, and I will see you next time.